coffee.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
That's good.
Maverick. Hey, buddy. Hey, what's your most favorite part about working with Daddy? Huh? Is it all the puppies? All the attention from the people? Is it the rabbits, the birds, the squirrels? Or maybe the alligators? Or is it all of it? We're Richie, Maxine, and Maverick. And later, we run into some fellow YouTubers. We didn't expect that. You love that puppy, don't you? You just want to play with that puppy, don't you? That's all you want to do is just play with the puppy. My most favorite part about working here at Gulf State Park is being able to drink my coffee and have my puppy. Oh, and the free campsite. Hey, excuse me, miss. Do I need a pass to get in?
If you go to lot 65,
Yeah.
site 65, I'll let you in, but you can't go anywhere else.
Are all the ladies that work here hot like you?
Yeah, they're all cute.
I was just wondering, cause man,
They're all cute.
your husband must be lucky. Oh, look at the Cavapoo meet and greet.
Yeah. Well, he wants to meet all the dogs. Yeah.
What's your Cavapoo's name?
Chloe. Yeah,
This
it's
is
a girl.
Maverick. It's a puppy meet and greet. So. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We really would appreciate it. Apparently, people can't remember how to skip.
Yeah.
And Charles was wanting to bet you that you couldn't skip. So we came outside to see if you remember how to skip.
I do.
All right, well,
Okay.
yeah.
All right, now it's your turn.
Where'd you learn how to skip like that, miss?
As a kid, and then Everett reminded me.
Now, my back is
All right,
a
let's
little bit
see.
sketchy, but
Let's see.
I never skipped anyway. The only thing I skipped was school. So,
I never skipped a meal.
all right, so yeah, I don't know if I know how.
You know how. Come on.
I don't know that I ever skipped in my
Oh,
whole
no,
life.
everybody skipped.
I skipped plenty of school.
Skip to my loo.
So, yeah, I can't skip. I don't know how to do it.
It's crazy. I can't do it.
Well, I don't know that I ever have skipped in my whole life. I don't remember ever.
Everybody has skipped.
I don't
As a
think
kid,
so.
haven't they?
Yeah, but you know that was 60 years ago.
I think it's because of Everett that I can skip.
Oh, yeah?
I think so.
Can anyone guess what the most awesome, my personal most favorite part of this job is? No? Well, that's not what this is about. This is about the worst part of this job. Even though it is the worst part of this job, it's not terrible. But it can be smelly, trust me. So that is poop bag day. So what I do is I work Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Sunday's the busiest checkout day, anywhere from 130 to even 200 plus checkouts. I don't have time to stop at these. I believe there is, I haven't counted, 12 or 13 here. Mondays are our second biggest checkout day, and they're going to be about the same, anywhere from over 100 to up to 180, 200 checkouts. Tuesdays are pretty slow. Like today I have 40. Sometimes you may have 40 to 80. But that's my last day, and I want to have these clean for the new guy that'll be here tomorrow cleaning. I don't want him to have to come in with all these slapped full. So I go ahead and take care of these on Tuesdays. Since it's a slow day, you just take the lid off. And this one isn't all the way full. So if it isn't all the way full, I'll just dump them in here. But if it's pretty close to full, I'll just take the bag out and replace the bag. And that's it. Now, the problem comes in is whenever you start getting this filled up and you stop and it gets to smelling. So look, if you wonder why I don't wear gloves, well, gloves, if you wear gloves, you're still going to get things on your hands, and then you're going to get it all over the steering wheel, all over the clipboard, all over, you know. So what I do is I keep this handy dandy Equate advanced hand sanitizer, and I clean my hands after every one of these. And then a lot of times during the day, you know, from picking up trash. But it's just easier, and as far as I'm concerned, cleaner, more sanitized than using gloves. That's just my personal. Other people wear gloves. It's just not, it's not my thing. I would constantly be ripping them things off and putting new ones on. So that's what I do. And like I said, even though it is not my most favorite part of the job, it is definitely not terrible. But it's a job that has to be done.
So, our grandson, Everett, loves how he's mentioned in a lot of videos, and sometimes he makes an appearance. And he thought it would be a cool idea if Nana hid like little secrets, little Easter eggs for him throughout a video. So here's one right here. Y'all meet Godzilla.
Hey, buddy, what are you doing? Are you
Here's your
just chilling?
Godzilla.
Chilling like a villain? Man, you're so cool. You're kind of popular around here. So what do you do when someone rips off their entire awning and leaves it? Well, you do the best you can. Ugh. Well, there you go. Just rip it off, leave it laying here on campsite number 105. And I guess we'll pick it up and throw it away. That's all we can do. Good thing we don't have very far to go. So I really don't know what to do with this. I'm just gonna take it and lay it over here, I guess. Maverick, get over here. Whoops, I forgot to put him on the, come here. Get over here. I didn't forget to put him on his leash. He slipped out of his harness. Now we have him hooked in. This is where we put all donation stuff for people to pick up. I don't know who would want it. This is aluminum. I guess I can recycle this. Charcoal and water splitters. Do you know how many of these that freaking people leave? Tons. So I'm gonna set these over here in the donation. Anybody can have them. All right, so tell me your name.
Ken Howard.
Ken Howard, where are you from, Ken?
I'm from upstate New York.
Well, when you pulled up here and you said, well, there's some YouTubers around or whatever, I was thinking, oh, God, recognized me.
Yeah.
But it actually wasn't me. It was Chris from Our Everyday Getaway.
Yep, our everyday.
Yeah. Well,
Subscriber now.
I know, and I appreciate it. So we're so close to that 1,000 mark. So you became number 992.
Ooh.
We only need 8 more subscribers. So by the time this video comes out, we'll already be monetized.
Yep,
We'll
so
be
when I
well
get
over
back to the
1,000.
campsite, I got 3 more people that I can.
All right.
So we'll be set there too.
And so, all right, well, cool. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Very nice meeting you.
All right, and this right here, we have our good friends Nancy and Mary, all the way from Colorado. We stop and visit them every day, and they have the big Maverick right here, Charlie.
Lazy Charlie.
Yeah.
Maverick, and here's little Maverick.
There's little Maverick.
Hey, little Maverick.
So sad they're headed back to Colorado tomorrow, but they'll be back in October.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. 48 degrees. That's not good. Poor puppy. He just wants to go in and out no matter where I go. This is my new 12-volt refrigerator. That's not good. 48 degrees. We don't ever need to go above 40. So I come out here. This was from my 120 propane evaporative dissipative piece of crap refrigerator that I can't stand. I can't even believe they made those. But I guess they served a purpose until they came out with these 12 volts, which are wonderful. So when I put the 12 volt in, I put this double insulation in here, closed it all the way up. There's no need for any of this airflow anymore. So I was thinking that I would put a fan and get the temperature down. But when I cut this out, everything is just cold back here. I mean, it's not even like, there's no heat back here at all. I'm like, what's the problem? So I tested this. I had 11.08 volts. I'm like, uh-oh, that's not good. That's way too low. Well, I have this ran out to my EcoFlow Delta Pro. So that's what's connected to my solar, but I keep it plugged in. Keep the EcoFlow down here. It's my wire going into the EcoFlow. Well, I grabbed that wire and it was hot. And I mean, smoking hot. Uh-oh, that's not good. Look at that baby right there. Man, that was a 20 amp fuse and it just burnt right through that baby. I have no idea why. I mean, I got this off Amazon and I didn't get the cheap one either. Look how thick that wire is. It's way overkill for what I needed. So I don't know. I have it straight wired now and hopefully that'll be dropping here in the next few hours. I'm gonna get the back all put back together and go to the parts store, see if I can't find a good fuse holder. This one is not. Oh yeah, 36 degrees, that's what we're looking for. Problem fixed. Maverick, what you think, buddy? How you like the front seat? Chris, everyday getaway, right?
What's up, Richie?
Oh,
I saw your video, man. I saw
you know,
your video.
You
and
saw our video?
I saw your video, yes.
What?
Came up on my feed the other day, and I watched it because we knew we were coming here.
Wow.
So it came up on my YouTube feed, and I'm watching it going, are they at Gulf State Park?
Wow.
They're there. So I told Katrina, Katrina's not with me right now. She's back in Maryland. And I told Katrina, I said, I bet you I run into you guys.
Oh, wow. That is super cool.
The dog's name is
Maverick. Yeah.
Maverick.
Oh, wow.
It's a pleasure to meet you, man.
Man, that makes me feel good that they're actually showing our videos out to everybody.
That's
So
what you want.
Yep.
You're good. Come on over here, Richie. We're content creators. It's all good.
So
Katrina, I told you I'd run into him. I told you. Remember I was telling you I watched his last video? They were camp host.
Alexander's Great Adventures.
Oh, yeah. I don't think she saw the video. I watched it because it came up on my feed. So I was telling her, I said, we're headed there. And I said, I wouldn't be surprised if we ran into you guys.
Well, I'm just pulling up. I saw him immediately. I'm cleaning up this morning, and he's like, I watched your last video. I'm like, you know me?
It came up on my feed. It's interesting. I don't know why it came up. It just came up on my feed. I guess, I don't know. I didn't do a search or anything. And I'm like, wait a minute. Are they at Gulf State Park? So let me watch the video. So
Wow.
I got done watching it. And I said, Katrina, I got a feeling I'm going to run into them. I'm going to see them run around. So we've been here for a few days. And I was keeping an eye on you to see if you run around. And now, there you go.
Well, this is my first day back working. I've been off for 4 days. So.
Oh, okay. Well, then that would explain it because I've been here for about 4 days.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Is it because you guys are at the same place? Is that the reason why? Is because you're at the same place? Is that why maybe the videos are popping up because you're in the same area?
Well, it popped up. I think it popped up before I got here. when I was down in LaBelle, that video, your last video came out when?
Sunday at 9 a.m.
Came out Sunday, yeah. So I hadn't left yet, and I saw it come up on my feed. So anyway,
Well, that's good.
yeah.
That's good. The YouTube's like, yeah.
Oh yeah, well that's exactly what you want.
We're small. We're 980, so I've already got like my 5,600 watch hours for monetization. So
You just got to hit that 1,000 mark.
yeah, I'll do that this week. So we're like, and then it's a milestone. We'll grow from there. But we've only 40 weeks, so 40. We're not even a year in yet. So
Yeah, good for you.
cool.
Hey, you guys are camp hosting for how long?
3 months. We'll be here till July.
Okay.
And then we'll come back in October.
Okay. Are you coming back next year?
Yep. Same 3 months. Same 4 months next year. So
Did you go over to the Molotovs?
the what?
The Molotovs? Oh, you didn't do the Molotovs.
No, I saw I saw something about it after the fact.
You guys would have loved it.
Oh man.
Watching your video, I could tell you guys like to have a good time.
Yeah.
Today's the last day, but it's over 3 days. They have it every year at this time.
Yeah.
And basically, it's an event that Floribama holds.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And you take a mullet, which is the fish that's indigenous to this area.
Yeah.
And you take it, and you wrap it up, or you take the mullet, and you stand in Florida in a circle, and you throw it into Alabama.
Yeah.
And they measure your distance, and they have all these different classes, like kids, adults, and seniors, and everything. And whoever throws it the farthest wins something. I don't know we win.
Yeah.
I don't know it, but it's just a lot of fun. It's out on the beach.
Yeah.
The bar's open. Bushwhackers are flowing.
Wow.
It's just a great, cool environment. So my brother and I went over there on Friday.
Yeah.
And they did it Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Okay, cool.
So,
yeah, I saw a Facebook post or something about it or whatever. So
yeah. So if you're back here next year, you got to go over and check it out. I'm telling you guys would love it. It's just a cool environment. If you get there early enough, they have a field, like the throwing field. It's on the beach.
Yeah.
And it's surrounded by chairs, and it's free. You could get to get there early. You can get a chair.
Okay.
Sit right on the beach.
Okay.
And then go over and grab something to drink, or go inside Floribama or whatever it is, and just hang out, and watch people have a good time. Yeah. And we've been here. This is our third time here. We really love it here.
This is
one of the best state parks we've ever been to.
It is. Yeah.
And but we were just talking to another couple that said these spots, all of the premier spots, are already sold out for next year.
You got to book them. I used to get 222 up here, but you got to book them 1 year prior.
Yeah. All right.
Thanks, Chris. We'll see you around. How long will y'all be here?
I'll be here until a week from Tuesday, for another week and a half.
All right, buddy.
All right.
Thank you.
Take care. We'll see you.
Thank you all for watching. We really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe and like button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We'll put the links in the description below. Make sure you tune in next week for more exciting beach adventures and a sneak peek into the brand new campground here at Gulf State Park. We love you all. See you next week.